Fidgets, time to get up. Good morning, baby, it's time to get up. That actually brings memories from one of the first videos. Remember that time when you were over in the baby nursery? You woke me up, Mommy. I'm gonna turn on the light. Ah, it's bright, Mommy, it's bright. Where did your passy go? I got rid of it, Mommy, forever. Yet I found it. That stupid passy. It's not coming with us to the store. We don't need it. No, night. Put Fidget's dress on. I'd be beautiful. Yeah. I still left your towel out. No, Fidget's get dressed. Oh! Fidget's earthquake! Earthquake! It was just the building. Oh. But Fidget's beautiful dress. You know what? I'm taking that. Thank you, Mommy. It goes on nightstand and stays here. Okay. Okay, we put that on. But do you like your nightstand? I do. It's very nice, Mommy. Yeah, I bet. Okay, Why is this thing so hard to put on? Put other arm in, Mommy. I'm trying to. Do it. You're so wiggly. I'm not wiggly. I'm sitting here nicely, Mommy. Why is this stuff... Okay. Oh, it's Fidget's bum bum. Okay, then you lock the back, Mommy. I'm trying to. Lock the back, Mommy. There, I did. Okay, now fluff my tutu. Yeah, your tutu's trying to be a booger. Yep, tutu's a booger, Mommy. There you go. Okay, fluff me. Okay. Do you want a bow? Yes, Bobo's beautiful, like Jojo Bobo. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like your size, but... Jojo Bobo. Oh, I need to brush your hair, I think. Oh. Do you want me to brush your hair? No, it looks good, Mommy. True. Okay, pack bag for store. Here, I got your nice unicorn one. Oh, show camera. Everybody, this is my special unicorn bag. Where when we leave the house, it's very nice. Okay. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm packing your stuff. Oh, I see something in there, Mommy, that you're not supposed to bring. Here, I'm bringing your meal. Okay, toy. Very good. Do you want me to bring your blankie? Yes, bring blanket. Because it can get cold in stores. Oh, no! Big hamster! Don't eat that big hamster! Whoa. Your sister's sneaky hamster. Do you want me to bring its nest? Nest? What nest, Mommy? The mule's nest. Oh, yes, mule needs nest or he'd be cranky, Mommy. Very cranky. Okay, do you want anything else? That's good. Okay. How about let's bring the squishy? Oh, squishy, very important. Let me see. Guys. Let me see, squishy. I actually, this one looks funky, Mommy. Do you think you want the macaroon? Macaroon better, thank you. Show macaroon to me. The macaroon really needs some. Oh, okay. Doing on the paint. Okay, we go store. Love you. Bye. Hi, everyone. I'm at Cece's. I'm gonna eat pizza again. Then we go shopping for school clothes. I'm gonna be plotting. Okay, here it goes. Tio! Chop! Chop! Just kidding. Chop, chop. She's trying to chop me. I got the knife again. Oh no. Oh, Tio, that was a fail. I found a knife to play with, Mommy. Oh, okay. Grandma's gonna go get her drink now. See you in a minute.
Put one on her head.
Give Fidget dessert, Mommy. Now. Dessert. I want brownie. And then I stab. Oh, nom nom nom. to drink the juice. Ooh, Fidgets is hyper. Oh, Fidgets go to bed. Wow. No. Okay, guys, we're in Kohl's right now, and we have a little tiny problem. More like a big one, but we lost Fidgets in the toy aisle, and we have no idea where she is. So, where's this girl? Fidgets. We just heard her laugh. Where could she be? Who's this girl? Is she in that dino egg? I don't know. Nope. Okay, she can't be in the dino egg. Maybe she's in one of these toys. Fidget's hiding. I know, baby. Oh my god. Did you find her? No, you didn't. She must have opened that. Fidgets. I'm playing, Mommy. This is not funny. Where'd it go? Okay. Maybe she's in this glass aisle. She might have actually hidden there. Okay, let's find Fidgets. Whoa. You better not have pushed that. I think I might have found her. Oh, Fidgets so funny, Mommy. I'm back. You gave me a heart attack, child. I think I'm gonna have a Okay, let's go get clothes for Fidgets kindergarten. No, I'm not going to kindergarten. No. You're going to daycare, and they don't have baby clothes like that. Okay, we go. Okay. Guys, so we were just getting my brother's stuff. Yes. And now we're going to get my stuff. With Fidgets. Yes, Mommy. We get me beautiful kindergarten clothes. Not your clothes. Okay, let's go. Let's see what you think is good. Let's go. I'm good. Ooh, do you like any of this stuff? Ew, poopy, Mommy. This doesn't even fit you, Fidgets. Look at this. Wait, is this one of those shirts where I can fit my phone? It is. It's a shirt hoodie. Yay. I want one of these. Okay. I love this one. Okay, Mommy, I guess. Some people use it. Even though it looks like poopy.
There's a purple one.
Look at this, Grandma. Do you think we need to go up a size?
Yeah.
Okay.
What size is that one?
10. I'm on 12, 13. Okay, Mommy, I guess you like... Yes. Okay. Keep going, Mommy. What else do you like? Look at these shorts now. We're not getting shorts today. You have plenty of shorts.
No shorts. I just went to Justice.
Oh, yes, Mommy.
Why are all these shorts so short?
No booty shorts.
They're like thigh shorts.
Who wears booty shorts? Not Mommy.
No Fidgets. Except on 4th of July.
It was the 4th of July.
Wait, put this... Let me...
Does Mommy want a dress to go back to school?
No, put that on my bun.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, there's lots of beautiful dresses, Mommy.
I like this one.
There's one with purple with hearts.
Ooh.
And
look at this one, Fidgets.
And purple everything. That's very interesting style, Mommy.
Ooh, that's
I don't like that.
I like it.
I like it too.
I like the maroon. Ooh.
Maroon's not the maroon. I like almost every shirt except for girls.
Look at this.
Oh.
Feel how soft it is.
Oh, she just totally brushed you off on that one.
How about you hold this?
Oh, Fidgets want to get beautiful clothes.
What about this one?
No, Fidgets doesn't like it.
Too large?
No, no, that's ugly, Mommy.
But I want it. Nope.
No, too big for Mommy.
What? Better stop.
Mommy needs a 10, 12.
Ooh, come on around.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God. No, sister. Yes. No. Yes.
It's not jacket time of year yet, Mommy.
And plus, look how small it is. Okay. And?
Yeah, you gotta wait a little bit, Mommy.
Yeah,
It shows your
it's so hot
stomach.
to think of. Think of how hot it was today.
JoJo. See?
Oh, JoJo.
This is just smile.
Look, Bobo jacket, Mommy.
Yeah, Bobo.
Bobo jacket. I like Bobo.
Why is there a random bathing?
Madam bathing suit. Okay.
Do the plus.
You usually like these shirts on the ends, Mommy. Come over here. Check these.
sale.
There's unicorn, Mommy. Look, unicorn, unicorn. Our smile. Happy shirt. Unicorn.
I like the unicorn.
Unicorn, beautiful.
Be true, be you.
Ooh, so beautiful, shiny. Ooh.
Let's steal it.
Ooh, shiny, shiny.
I
Ooh,
want it.
ooh,
That is very
unicorn.
small though.
Yeah,
I like
it's not
it.
your size.
You
Let me
need
see if you got your size.
10 or 12. I'd bring a 10 and a 12 so she can try them both on.
This is a 7-8.
Oh, that's too small. You big girl now. You old 5th grader.
12. This is a 12.
Bring 12, see if they have 10.
That means she is 12.
Okay, bring both those.
Let me put this back.
I boss you. It's my job. Servant.
You sit there.
Servant.
You know, I'm not even gonna reply to that.
Oh, Fidgets, goodbye.
No, come. No, you're not. You know what?
Teal gonna take care of me. He's such a good Teal.
Do you think I should get one of
I'm going to
these?
get Lily pineapple pants.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob
Why are you on top of
SquarePants.
my head?
It's a good place to ride.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, we keep looking for clothes. We show you later.
Fly.
Okay, we show you at
Ooh,
what they look
future
like later.
Star
Ooh, because your future is today. Ooh. Okay, I'll show you clothes later. Bye. We do haul at home. Okay, see you at home.
Okay, guys, we're back from the store.
We back from Kohl's, silly mommy.
Why am I back?
Okay, pull out clothes. Show clothes. Show clothes. What we get?
Fidgets, here's a big knife for the big hamster.
Ooh, gracias. Bye, guys. And today I'm with... No, we're finally showing haul. You act like this is new video. It's not new video.
Good job, sister.
Okay, wait. That's a blooper. Okay, let's go then.